Hey everybody, the following is a look back at the last 8 days since I had vitrectomy, which is eye surgery that removes the aqueous humor from the eye. I am monocular, meaning I only have one-sided eye. I was born that way, so my right eye is completely blind, and when I had surgery on my left eye, I was left blind completely for a day. And then slowly my vision is restored to the point where I can see most things now, but it's still got a ways to go. But I thought I'd share with you my journey. Enjoy. Hello everyone, thanks for watching. It's Friday, September 12th.
Tilt right.
And I've had surgery. I am totally blind, recording this without
One face centered. Tilt right.
any vision. My phone is telling me that it's off center right now, so I'm trying to fix it. And I finished the day after not trading at $146,300 and change. So did all right considering I didn't do anything. Just had my eye cut into. And,
Tilt right.
That was that. Thanks for watching. Well, good morning.
Tilt right.
It's my first day having the
one face near right edge.
off.
Centered. Tilt right.
And all I can see right now, at least I can see something, is
Tilt right.
everything is very blurry. I can see shadow and light.
Tilt right.
If I hold my hand really close to me, I can count
one face centered.
I can count
Tilt
two
right.
fingers. But it's not great. I got a lot of recovery to do. So, anyways,
Tilt right.
it is what it is. But hopefully this vitrectomy thing is worth it. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Tilt right. Stop recording video.
Hi everybody. It's Sunday.
One face centered. Level.
It's Sunday, September 14th, and it's been 2 days since I had eye surgery, something called a vitrectomy, where the surgeon, I was awake for it, so that was kind of scary, but she used a special cutting tool to cut away the vitreous humor from my eye. Anyways,
one face centered.
Now I'm definitely legally blind, and will be for the next while. I can see a little bit, but it's not very good. I'm hoping that things will improve over time, but right now everything's really out of focus. I can make out my hand if I hold it close enough, and I'm using my phone on voiceover mode, as you might hear.
One face centered.
It's kind of frustrating, but this is only day 2 recovery. So anyways, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.
Face centered. Face centered. Face near bottom edge.
Hey everybody, it is Patrick here. It's Monday, September 15th, and I am still recovering from eye surgery on Friday. Still can't see much. I can see better if I tilt my head down and look down because of the air bubble or gas bubble that's in there. But when I look straight forward, I can't see bugger all. It's like looking through goggles at the surface of water where it kind of jiggles. And anyways, when you walk and stuff, it makes me kind of sick. But anyways, didn't do any trading today. Couldn't see to do it. So, but I checked out my portfolio at the end of the day, and it closed above $150,000 for the first time at 150,500 something. So that was good. And as I say, no trades, nothing new. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. Waiting on the Fed's decision on Wednesday, and that should either cause things to go even higher or, not go so good. But we'll see. Anyways, hope you had a good one, and I'll talk to you again. Hey everybody, Patrick here. It's Tuesday, September 16th. The trading day is done. I'm on $1 million mission to grow my registered disability savings plan. Didn't do anything today because I had eye surgery on Friday. This is day 4 of recovery, and I'm still not seeing very well. So I'm doing my best to recover and not doing any trading or anything like that, just kind of waiting patiently for recovery to happen. And today was one of those days when the market was down slightly, but my portfolio was down about 0.25% today because I have so many dollars tied up in options. So it is what it is. Could be worse, could be better, but tomorrow's another day, and hopefully the Fed cuts rates like is expected, and things turn out good for all of us. Anyways, hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, Patrick here. It's been 6 days since eye surgery, and I woke up to a great surprise today. My vision's still kind of messed, but I just heard on Bloomberg that Nvidia is making a $5 billion investment into Intel, and as a result, Intel shares are up a lot. Earlier it was about 30%, now it's around 28%. So great day to be an investor in Intel. I got a couple of leaps, and I'm glad I do, because they're going to be worth a lot of money today. Anyways, watch the fun. It's going to be a good one. Cheers. Hey everybody, it's been 8 days since I had eye surgery, and it was a vitrectomy, very invasive eye surgery. I was blind really badly for about 3-4 days, and here we are. It's 8 days later, and vision's getting better and better every day. I've got a bubble in my field of view that is shrinking every day. Like, it started off being my whole field of view, and now it's down to like about the size of a dime. But it's kind of annoying because when I'm standing anywhere where the sunlight refracts or reflects, I don't know what the right word is, refracts off of this bubble, and it causes like halos around everything. It's kind of freaky. But anyways, my point is, it's been only a week and I can see, and I'm very grateful. Thank you to my eye surgeon who did the job, Dr. Christina De Young. Thank you so much. And yesterday I was actually able to play a video game, so I'm pretty excited that things are improving. Anyways, just thought I'd give you an update. Thanks for watching.